YouTube Kick Gaming channel and welcome to Beamng Drive. So I got something interesting. There'll be something like a car alarm, which is like really cool. So I'll let you know how to put that. Okay, so we got a keyboard. So we need to park whenever you place you want. So you better press shift plus K. That will work. So let's go with alarm facelift. That will be really cool because SUV is my favorite car. So park somewhere or anything you can park anywhere. You can do anything you want. See, now you better park in the normal place. When you park, I don't know what I'm saying right now. Maybe you can park in this way. See, wait a sec, and wait, let me spawn my car. I'll be right back. Wait, one sec. I got something. We got alarm, so you better turn off the car and press shift K. See, you can hear the beep. Alright, I'll spawn the car. Here we are now. Now I already got my configurations about my LiDAR, the drunk driving. So my left, I don't know, left is only used to go some this way. Let me interrupt this car. Alright, and the D is for right, so it's going left. Okay, that's really weird. Now you got the car alarm. It's very wonderful if you didn't know there will be a car alarm in Beamng Drive. Or you can also change any alarm audio, which is like cool by the way. Just park some car in the road, but that's a terrible idea, but the car will go, but we didn't spawn any cars. That's why I'm trying to let you learn how to make the car alarm on. That's why. Okay, can we park in the little middle of the road? Okay, this is just going to be tough. Alright. We're going, there's no parking place. Something, yeah. It's alright. Maybe you can park this way. Maybe this is the way you can park, that we are barricaded. Wait a sec. Oh, okay, that's alright. We can press insert so it'll reset and it'll be vehicle recovered. Insert. Yes. Now we did it. So let's turn off the car, but not now. We have to change some alarm audio. You can put audio something. I don't know what to spell it. Okay, it's okay. Alarm audio. Yeah. See that? It's horn alarm audio, like beep beep, not like. Alright, so I'm gonna get the alarm burglar alarm 8. Alright. Now turn off the car. Shift K. Yeah, good. It's already activated. And now let's reset our car. And guess this is the way, or I don't know the way. This is confusing me. Alright, it's okay, no need to laugh. Let's focus. Crash a little bit. Brake! That's really funny, alarm. I can't believe it. This is so realistic. It's high pitch and little. Let's stop this alarm. I can't believe it. So, when the car is moving, you should not switch off the alarm. Okay? That will be very bad. Okay. Oh! I just accidentally pressed the reset button. It's alright. So, okay. Okay, see? You should not let the engine be on. You have to turn off the engine. That's how. And let's get some other alarm. This alarm doesn't look good. That sound. It looks like a old car alarm. That's really funny. Alright, I'm going to get a burglar alarm 1. There. And boom. Alright, just beep. Okay, now the alarm is activated. Okay. This axle is confusing me. Okay, brake a little bit. Brake. I don't know, maybe I didn't. You have to use that to up. That's not good. Yeah, I am drunk now. I'm a drunk driver who Hey! Yeah, but if you crash so hardly, it'll move. It's alright. No need to reset car. Come on. Here you go. So, let me see how it worked. Wait a sec. It has to be in the unsmooth ground. Wait a sec. Wait. I didn't activate the alarm. Oh, okay. I forgot to do that. Now, fast. We need a fast drunk driver. Mad. Okay. Where's my thing? The jigger. Dodge Viper would be so awesome. Alright, let me get that thing, which is like ACR. But it looks like a drifty car. Drifty. Wait, did I put the parking brake? Yeah, I have to put the parking brake off. No, I have to reset. Okay, now I put the parking brake off. Because it'll move or something, yeah. Boom! Now you cannot. See? You should stop the car to activate or deactivate the alarm. That's how. So, we're going to give you a luck. So let's get some different car which have. So I can't read that. That looks like Wendover, but I'm gonna say the last word Wendover. Yeah, this is the car. Looks old coupe. So I'm gonna get some different configuration. Where is my silly looking coupe? Hello? Gosh, I can't find something. Okay, fine. We can get this facelift. I can't read it because I was so fast. Okay. Oh no, oh, Jesus. Okay. Now type alarm. Yeah. Yes, there you are. You can put in number 4 or something. That's okay. Okay, now boom. Nope. I keep forgetting to turn off the car. Okay. Okay, no need to change some different car. It's okay. I know Viper would be still cool, but it's a small car, compact car. But it's fast and expensive. Whoa! Yeah, baby. Alright, I will hit. You have to hit the subscribe button, and I will activate the alarm. So you guys know. And now, let's go. And oops, I forgot to. Fine. It's alright. Oh, why am I keep forgetting? There. Now, go. Come on. Yeah, I have the keys for that vent over, but I don't have it. Maybe it's invisible. Boom! Oh my god, I almost hit that car, but I got the car alarm and the mirror flew off. Oh my god, that's really funny. Let's put the parking brake off or on. I don't know. There we are. We got the little bit of bump and the mirror flew off. And we got a green arrow blinking. Yeah. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button and leave a like. And we will guys see you next time.